Is there a nexus between reduced exposure to germs in early life and the development of allergies?
Yes. We call that the hygiene hypothesis. So it's been shown that over time, allergies have been increasing with time. And during the period where we started introducing things like, cleanliness, hygiene, much earlier, like probably sometime in the 19th century, over time it's been shown that exposure to germs is good. When we become too clean, that's bad. And how that works, so just generally on our bodies, we have what we call the microbiome, right? Which is a collection of different bacteria, viruses, fungus that coats our skin, coats our gut, coats our respiratory system. And the function of this microbiome is to do something we call immunomodulation. So it sort of keeps the immune system in check to avoid the immune system from skewing to an allergic kind of reaction. Now, when you withdraw that and you end up being too clean, kids are not in the rural areas where they're interacting with dogs and getting the dog microbiome on them. They're not interacting with cats, getting the cat microbiome on them, interacting with the soil and getting the soil microbiome on them. They end up too clean. They end up with a not as robust microbiome as they should. And so they tend to sort of skew towards allergies.
Yes.
And then if you combine that with genetics,
so
you're done.
So kids should be left to play.
Kabisa.
Because there are people who are skeptical about, unajipaka uchafu sijui nini.
That's the best thing you can do for your child as they are growing up in the first 5 years. They've actually shown that children in the rural areas have much less allergies than those in the urban areas. That's scientific.
Yes.
And it's been pegged to some of these things. So of course, better nutrition also in terms of wholesome foods in rural areas as opposed to our more westernized diets in urban areas. So please let your child roll in the mud, roll in the soil.
Yeah.
Let them do what they're supposed to do as children.